The nice thing about saving the dark night sky is that it's not a problem that's going to take us hundreds of years to fix. We could fix it tomorrow if we all decided to. And it worries me to think about what might happen if we lose that resource, if we lose the ability to go out into a place and see a beautiful night sky lit up by stars. And to me, it's just that simple beauty is what's most important about saving a dark night sky. The Lassen Dark Sky Festival is a celebration of a couple of things. Most important is our dark night sky. It's a tremendous resource, and we're finding that that resource is diminishing. There's fewer and fewer places that you can go to, walk outside and see the Milky Way, to see thousands of stars above you. And so that's really what we're hoping to do, is raise awareness that it's a resource that's worth protecting. The events that we have lined up at the Dark Sky Festival last from the morning all the way through the night. So you can come in the middle of the day and take a solar system hike, find out the distances between planets. You can talk with some NASA research scientists at SulphurWorks, and you can also find out more about what kind of research is happening here in the park with regards to astrobiology. We have evening programs that help identify some of the objects in the night sky, and also special programs put on by scientists explaining some of those mysteries. And then the real star of the show is the dark night sky, where we have telescopes set up at the Bumpus Hill parking area and a couple other locations where if you've never looked through a telescope before in a dark place, that's certainly one of the highlights. We've got very few cloudy days here, which is a nice thing for astronomers especially. And on top of that, those hydrothermal areas really provide a unique connection between the cosmos and Lassen. Scientists are thinking that maybe some of those extremophiles living here in those hydrothermal areas are clues to what might be surviving on other planets out in the solar system and beyond. What we can do at home is just be aware of how much light we're using. Take a look around your house, seeing what kind of lights you might be able to turn off. Get involved with your community too. See if there's folks that really want to protect that resource and bring it back. And if we did that, not only would we save this amazing resource, but we'd also save millions of dollars in the process. So it'd be something that we're hoping to raise awareness of, and that people could really get involved in their own homes and in their own communities as well. And I think that's probably the most important thing about a dark sky. It provides us with a sense of mystery. It gives us that feeling of being small, of being part of that universe, being connected to something bigger than us. So that to me would be probably the most important reason to save a dark night sky.